this is Sonya with Artsy Solutions, and I'm going to be doing a Happy July giveaway. And basically what it's going to consist of is a chance to win the Venture Summer Road Trip digital kit, which is in my Etsy shop, Multimedia Crafts Digital. And you get the free printable along with some craft supplies and the project that I'm going to be making each week. So every week you'll have your chance to enter, and for those who don't win, I'll also have a coupon code in some of the weeks. In case you don't win, you can still get 50% off, and I'll have that coupon code buried like within the video. So you're going to have to watch the video in order to see where that coupon code is. Now I won't have it in the first video because I'm currently running a sale on the digital kit. Right now it's 30% off until July the 8th. But the subsequent weeks, the 3 weeks following, I will have a 50% off coupon code in there. So back to the giveaway. Like I said, it's going to be for 4 weeks, and the options that you, not options, but the rules that you have to follow in order to participate is the contest is open to US viewers only, and I've created this schedule and rules and things like that. It's on my blog, and you can go to my blog and download this very copy so you can see the video air dates, the days you can comment, or the last days you can comment, and the draw dates. But yeah, the contest is open to US viewers only. Sorry if you're from somewhere else, international. And you must be a subscriber to qualify, and you just go to my YouTube channel, and which if you're watching this now, then you already know what my YouTube channel is. And if you win, to claim your prize, I'll show it on YouTube, and you just contact me through my email address, and I'm gonna have a link in the description where you can how you can contact me. So each video, I'm just going to read this off because this is basically what everything is going to consist of. Each video is going to air on the first Monday of each week at 6:00 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then you will have 5 days to view and participate in the giveaway. So if the video airs on the Monday, the 5th, then you've got all the way you can comment and like, share, subscribe, all that stuff on the 5th through the 9th. So let me finish reading the instructions. So watch the video in its entirety, leave a comment about how you will use some of the contents of the giveaway, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and then the drawings are going to be held on Saturday mornings at 6:00 a.m. Eastern Standard Time by way of an electronic random picker. And the reason why I have to do it that early is because I work. So before I go to work, that gives me time to have an exact day each week to do the drawing, and I can only do that at that time before I go to work because I have a rotating schedule. So but yeah, let me just go ahead and show you some of the contents of what you will be getting, and it's going to vary each week. But for week 1, here's an example of some of the things that you're going to get. You'll get your digital kit, and then some of the craft supplies are going to include some fabric fusion, some tape, what do you call it, foam tape, and then you're going to get some like ephemera and stuff to use, because the kit is like a summer journal travel Venture Summer Road Trip thing, and you're going to get some ephemera that's got like different pieces from various stuff like butterflies and all that. And I even did some stamping. Let me just show you some of what I did. I did some stamping and die cutting for some of it. So let me just give you a base idea. Now these are just stickers, or some of them you can just glue onto something. And let's see. And these are stickers too. But I stamped these. I stamped and die cut them out using some Tim Holtz. And then you're going to get some ephemera that's got like different pieces from various stuff like butterflies and all that. And I even did some stamping. Let me just show you some of what I did. I did some stamping and die cutting for some of it. So let me just give you a base idea. Now these are just stickers, or some of them you can just glue onto something. And let's see. And these are stickers too. But I stamped these. I stamped and die cut them out using some Tim Holtz. stamps and die sets and stuff. And then these are just some butterflies. And like I said, each kit's going to have some that are pretty much similar to each other, but have slightly different variances in them. It could be the colors and stuff like that, or something. But all of these you can use to make your own cards, journals, scrapbooks, whatever you desire to use. Just like you can use your kit for that, you know. So you're going to have some ephemera. You're going to have some ribbon. I'm not going to take it apart. And here's another little die cut. And you're going to have some bling, some gems. And then here's another thing that I stamped and embossed. It has a bonjour. And then here's a doily. And then these I stamped and embossed. Not embossed, but I stamped. But to be honest with you, these are copies of something that I actually stamped. I just kind of did like a page of collage and stamps, and then I just photocopied them, and then that's what these are. I cut them out and just ran some ink around the edges of them, so that you have journal cards. And then you've got some of these little tickets, because all of these represent traveling. So let me put this little small package back in here. And I'm hoping that you can really use these. And okay, so we've got those. And then you also get, let me open this up. I'm just going to take the whole entire thing out. You're also going to get some, it's a Waverly, a fat quarter, it's some fabric, and hence that's why you have your fabric fusion, in case you can't sew or you don't have a sewing machine, or if you're like me and you have a sewing machine but your sewing machine and you are just not on the same page. And then you're going to get a journal, and you're going to get some type of, like, this week has the rub-on transfers. And then you're going to get, you know, congratulations, you're the winner, and blah, 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 blah. And just some information, you know. So that's what you'll get. You'll get the digital kit. You'll get these goodies here. And then whatever kit of that week that I'm making, or not kit, but whatever project I'm making. So you'll watch it, and then we'll have our drawing. So please be sure you tune in each week for the next 4 weeks at least, and you have a shot at winning. Now, if you win week 1, it's only fair to not to get to win week 2, 3, and 4, unless, well, I don't know. Fair is fair, so I guess all is fair in this game. So I guess you can have multiple chances of winning. It is what it is. A random picker is a random picker, and if you leave a comment, so I guess you do have 4 chances to win. So yeah. So if you get a chance, check out my blog, my social media sites, and if you like, watch my other videos. And so if you get a chance, also check out my fellow collaborators who were also a part of the Crafty Trinity, who also made some digital kits with the Vintage Summer Road Trip theme. And I'm going to have a link in the description so you can check them out. And they may have coupon codes, and they may do some giveaways and stuff too. So be sure to check out all of us, our YouTube channels, our Instagram, our Facebook, our shops, and I'll have a link in the description for all that stuff. So I'm excited about this. I hope you guys are, and thanks for watching.